folks, it's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, and I'm starting to get over my scratchy throat and my issues that I had the other day at the reunion. But anyway, I get this question sometimes, and is it healthy to be on a carnivore diet? And I'm not a doctor. I'm not going to give you any kind of medical advice or anything. I'm just going to give you my opinion and what's what I've experienced personally. Number one is, excess weight loss. I've lost almost 50 pounds in less than 3 months. Coming up on the 20th of this month will be 3 months exactly. And so that was huge for me to lose that much weight. I feel so much better. I get around so much easier. I have so much more energy. And, that was an awesome thing. But another thing, too, was the loss of inflammation. There was times that I thought I had, basically arthritis of some form. And I'd have stiff joints. And sometimes even my fingers would lock up when I would grab a hold of something. And all that is gone. I don't have any more inflammation. I don't have any joint pain. Or arthritis in any joints of my body, and so that was huge for me, and I'm so thankful for that part of it. Another thing too that I've noticed being on the carnivore diet is how much clarity I have and more clear-headed. No more brain fog and stuff like that. It's just so clear thoughts. You're able to focus on what you're concentrating on. And that's huge too. But another big thing too is there's no hunger. I eat basically as much as I want. This is not some kind of a restricted diet in a sense as far as volume or carbs, or well, it is carbs, but as far as calories is what I meant to say. There's no restriction on calories. You can eat as much as you want. When you get full, you quit eating. Now I do have some time restrictions. I try to do intermittent fasting where I only eat in, say, like a fast for 16 hours and eat in an 8-hour window, or fast for 18 hours and eat in a 6-hour window. Many times I only eat one meal a day, OMAD it's called, and so basically you're fasting for 23 and a half hours and you eat for a half hour to an hour. And that has done real well for me. I think that's probably helped me more than anything, because when you eat a pound or a pound and a half of beef, roast beef or pot roast or ribeye or whatever type of beef you're eating, you don't get as hungry. I eat a lot of beef, butter, bacon, eggs, shrimp, seafood, salmon, tuna. I mean, there's all kinds of things that you can eat, although this is restrictive in a way. And the only thing that it's restrictive is low carb. It's low to no carb, actually. Anywhere from low carb would be anywhere from 100 grams of carbs per day. No carb is down to zero naturally, and I basically try to get as zero as I can, because even not eating carbohydrate foods, your body produces carbohydrates through your liver and everything, so you're not lacking on your carbohydrates. That's a big question, or that's a big controversy. Sometimes people say, well, how can you live, how can you eat? Your body has to have carbs, and that's true, but your body produces that through your liver, and so no problem there. But another thing too was that I've noticed is clear skin. My skin has cleared up. Don't have a lot of skin tags or anything like that, some blemishes. It just looks so much better, and that's a notice that I have. My face is so much clearer. That's something that people have noticed, that your face has more of a shine to it, and so that's just another benefit that I've noticed. Another one too, believe it or not, this is kind of ain't no way of beating around the bush on this, but I don't have any gas. You don't fart on carnivore, and there's no indigestion. I used to burp and belch a lot. from time to time, and now all that was the food in my belly that was trying to digest and ferment, actually, in a lot of ways. Vegetables and things like that would do that, and that causes that gas, that fermentation process. And on a carnivore diet, I don't have any of that anymore at all, period. But another thing too, among many, this is just 7 things that I wanted to mention today, but one that I really noticed that is odd to me. Every morning when I take a shower, I always take a Q-tip and I clean my ears. And before carnivore, before I got back onto this way of eating, I would always have pretty good little bit of earwax in both ears. And as it is now, when I take a shower every morning, I've noticed that my Q-tips are basically clear. There may be just a small hint of earwax on there, but very little. So anyway, is the carnivore diet, is it healthy to be on a carnivore diet? Well, I guess that's that's up to interpretation. In my opinion, it is. But anyway, those are just some things that I wanted to share with you. Just let me know if you guys have any comments or any questions about any of that, and we'll be glad to try to help you out anyway. So you guys take care now. It's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.